Yo guys, Arakunrin Damola here again, and quickly I'm going to be showing you how to upload HD quality videos on your WhatsApp status. Alright, so instead of coming right here, alright, and uploading a video, there is one thing that you can do. Alright, if you upload a video from here, okay, what will happen is that it's going to reduce the quality of your video. Okay, and I'm going to show you an example right now. So here on my status, I uploaded this a while ago. You can see how blurry it is. Okay, and then there is this one which is very clear and clean. Okay, all right, so this is what I'm talking about. Okay, so instead of clicking from right here like I said, okay, what you need to do is to click instead from here where it shows here. So I'm going to just point right to it. Okay, here, right here is what you are going to click. So now I'm going to click it. Okay, now that I have clicked this, okay, now it's going to bring me to my phone where and asking me to choose what it is I want to choose. Okay, so I'm just going to pick this video. I'll pick this video again. Okay, let me pick this video again. Right, now here's the video. So here's what you need to do. Don't just go and post it straight up. What you need to first do is come right here to where it says HD. Click that particular place where it says HD. Okay, now you click the HD. So from standard quality, change it to HD quality. Now once you change to HD quality, it's going to write video set to HD quality. Now you can now type whatever that you want to type right here in your caption. Okay, check out this video on YouTube, for instance. Check out this video on YouTube. Okay, all right, check out this video on YouTube. All right, and then you click OK. And once you click OK, it's going to load like so. And just wait, chill, take a chill pill, guys. Take a chill pill. Take a chill pill. Fantastic. Now you can either choose to send to any of your contact list, but because we want to upload to our status, you're just going to click my status. And once you click my status, just like you normally do, just click this particular button, all right, and automatically it's going to go straight to upload on your WhatsApp status. Okay, and if you come back like this to this place, you see that it's actually a clearer video. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, all right, please like and follow for more.